Hello again and welcome back to section 3. So this section we're going to deal with circadian rhythms. The next two slides we're going to cover both circadian rhythms and the sleep cycles. They are separate because they're two different things, that's why we're keeping them on separate slides. While sleep cycles happen when you're asleep, circadian rhythms are physical, mental and behavioural changes that follow a 24-hour cycle. Your circadian rhythms primarily respond to light and dark and are in sync with your brain. Chronobiology is the study of circadian rhythms. It's actually Latin, it means around a day. So your sleep cycle is just a part of your 24-hour circadian rhythm. Your body has got built-in biological clocks. These clocks contain lots of biological and physical functions. So, for example, when hormones are released into the body, eating habits, digestion, body temperature, energy peaks and dips, and lastly your sleep-wake cycle. All these biological clocks are connected to the master clock in your brain. So our circadian rhythm is on a 24-hour cycle, which is in sync with our master biological clock in the brain, which in turn is aligned with our sleep-wake cycle. So think of the pineal gland releasing melatonin when it gets dark. The secreting of the melatonin then kicks off our sleep cycle as part of our 24-hour circadian rhythm. So when it's light, the reverse happens, melatonin production stops, and the wake cycle part of the circadian rhythm begins. Did you get all that? Does that make sense? I did explain that this is the most complicated part of the course, so it does get easier from now on, I promise. So just to recap then, the circadian rhythm is a 24-hour cycle, and the sleep cycle is between fast asleep and when we're awake. So if the circadian rhythm is off or out of sync, our body's biological clocks won't function correctly. There's lots of reasons for this: jet lag, working shifts and insomnia, for example. You can offset your circadian rhythm simply by having a poor pre-sleep routine, watching blue light before trying to get to sleep, or by having a poor sleeping environment. They all affect your circadian rhythms and offset them. If upsetting your circadian rhythm becomes chronic, so long term, it has further implications on your health, and there's some significant health problems that can arise. So what can we do about that to prevent this happening? So get sunlight into your eyes as soon as possible when we're awake. This kicks off that circadian rhythm cycle. Try not to nap through the day if possible. Stop blue light in the bedroom, that's really important. Get a regular sleep schedule in place and a good pre-sleep routine, and also regular exercise helps as well. So that covers circadian rhythms. In the next slide we're going to cover sleep cycles. So I'll catch you on the next section. Bye bye for now. See you later.